Welcome back, YouTubers. If this is your first time at my channel, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the little bell for notifications on any new videos coming up. So today we're going to be talking about downgrading, or why I downgraded from using the Hero 7 Black to the Hero Session 5. This is footage taken with the Hero Session 5 and its current image stabilization. And here is footage of me walking the dog with the Hero 7 Black. Clearly much better. The gripe that I have are the frame mounts. So on the Hero 7 Black, it looks good. It has some openings for you to be able to access what you need to access, but you really have to take the frame mount off. And as you can see here, I'm struggling to take it off. And I like to be able to access these ports for either taking the SD card out or charging the unit. So every time that I need to charge the 7 Black, I have to take this mount frame off. Once it's off, yes, it's easy to access. There's one port, one door for the charging, and another door at the bottom of the camera to access the battery as well as the SD card. And have not gotten used to having to take the frame off in order to access these ports. But on the Hero Session 5, with the frame mount on, you can clearly access both ports with one door, which is super convenient. In there you have the charging port as well as the SD slot that I can easily take out and put it back in with ease without having to remove the frame mount. To me, this is a huge advantage that the Session 5 has. So maybe one day I will get used to using this 7 Black because it clearly has newer technology, way better image stabilization. Thanks again for stopping by and watching my channel.